In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Love8 app. Firstly, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Love8 and install the app on your phone. Now open it, then tap Register to create a new account. Sign up using your email address or phone number. Confirm your account via a verification code like SMS or email and log in using your credentials. Now turn on device like Messenger, etc. and enable Bluetooth for your smartphone. In the app, go to Device Management or add a device. Select the matching device name when it appears, then tap Connect. Your device will now be paired with the app. Now go to Partners or Connection tab, then tap the Add Partner or Invite. Share your unique code or QR code with your partner and it should input his or scan the QR code in their Love8 app. Once linked, you can see when they're online and available to control or interact with the device. And once connected, you can control your partner's device in real time, use touchpad mode, preset patterns, or even sync music, send vibrations and interactive pulses, and communicate via chat or voice. And that's it, guys, as simple as that.